Now that we learned how to draw a line by doing a interior wall and drawing a circle by drawing, let's say, an internal furniture, let's go ahead and learn how to use the arc command. So I go to my home tab, and in my ribbon I get the arc. When I click that small arrow, I get all the types of arcs. There are so many types of arc you can draw. It's center, start, end, and it's so many other things. But for me, I will go ahead and do the start, center, and end. Or let's just do this, start, center, angle, just to explore how to manage things with the angles. Before that, let's go ahead and pick our view or choose where we're gonna draw that arc. Let's go ahead and say that I want to build an interior wall as an arc in this side right here, so it's in the reception area. I have this model view saved, so when at the top left on this view controls, when I click custom model view, I have that saved for you. So when you choose the reception, it will take me to that area. If you're not comfortable with this, you can zoom in, zoom out, anything you want. And the next step is, this is really important, you can't forget that or it will ruin your project. You should always choose your layer that you're drawing in. So I'm building an interior wall by an arc, so I should make sure that one is selected, and now I go choose my command. It's start, center, and angle. Before I start drawing, I should make sure my polar tracking is activated. It's in blue light, so it's active, and my snap tool, it will make my work so much easier. So when I zoom in, just to see the difference between these two points, let's just say I want my arc to start from this intersection. So I click, and I want to go in a horizontal line, but this is not helpful. I want the 180 degree, so I should go to my snapping tool and object snap. I should choose the extension, and intersection is activated, and let's go ahead and click this one. Snapping reference line. Now that how it goes, you should snap to a certain point, and it will go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's the line that I wanted, and I can specify the length for that to go to for that center. I'll go ahead and say 100 or 1700. Press enter. That's the radius, and as you can see, it's the polar tracking, it goes counterclockwise. So if I want to specify any angle, it will take it by a positive number, but if I wanted to go to the other side, I just specify it in negative sign. So I go ahead and minus 45. There it is. I have it in the other direction, which is clockwise.